Hi, my name's John O'Luck. I'm a program manager with the Common Data Service team. And in this video, we'll talk about how to manage security in the Common Data Service. Now, we all know it's critical to help customers secure the data they need in the way that they want. And from day one, we've supported this. Let's start from the top and talk about the different levels at which administrators can secure their data. They can start with an environment, secure their database, and finally, secure individual entities. Let's go take a look. Right now, we're in the admin portal. Inside the administrator portal, there's a couple different tabs that are interesting here. We'll start by looking at the environment roles. There are two environment roles that come out of the box. The first is the environment admin. This role gives users the ability to perform all of the administrative actions they need on an environment. The second environment role is the environment maker. This allows users to create Power Apps and flows in the environment. Next, we'll go look at the database. A database can be in one of two modes. Databases can be open, or they can be restricted. Open databases can be accessed by anyone in the tenant without any authorization. Restricted databases, as in this case, will require that security is evaluated so individual users only see the data that they need. Coming back now, we'll talk about user roles on the database. The entire Common Data Service security model is based around roles. As you can see, there are two user roles that come out of the box. The first is the database owner level. What we see here is the database owner role lets users access and perform any administrative actions on the database. The second role that comes out of the box is the organizational user role. This gives users access to the database if they are using applications there. If you share a Power App, those users are also added to the organizational user role. All right, now let's walk through creating a role and assigning users to it. In earlier videos, what we showed you was how to manage an example of flooring estimates. We are going to create a role that lets people see active flooring estimates. Roles have members. That's how you determine which users a role will apply to. In my case, I'm going to add myself. Next, we'll create the permission set that is associated with the role. What a permission set does is defines what entities and what level of permissions a user can have on those entities. In this case, we'll call it flooring estimate permission set. We'll now go into the permission set and add the flooring entity that we'd previously created. You can add any of the entities that are in your database. In this case, we're looking for our flooring estimates. And I want to give the people in this role full create, read, update, and delete permissions on the flooring estimate entity. We'll save that change, and then we're done. We'll now go back to the user role and add this permission set, effectively giving me, the member of that role, create, read, update, and delete permissions against the flooring estimate entity. So we open the role, go to permission sets, find the permission set I just created, and save. We've now created the flooring estimates active user role. Thank you.